Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and today I'm here to introduce to you the FUJISPRAY Auto MP-V8 mid-pressure spray gun, FUJISPRAY's latest technological innovation in their full suite of HVLP paint spraying equipment. Designed with FUJISPRAY's mid-pressure technology, the MP-V8 is the superior choice for professional clear coat application. It features a side-mounted fan pattern control, allowing the user to precisely set the fan width to match the project size. Suitable for high production facilities, the MP-V8 features a forged aluminum gun body with anodized internals for use with waterborne or solvent-based coatings. The 360-degree swivel air inlet reduces drag and prevents tangling in the booth. The MP-V8 offers an improved air and fluid management design that produces a perfectly balanced and consistent spray pattern. The fluid tip design enables refinishers to tackle a broad range of professional high solid clear coats. Other features include air cap sets available in 1.2 mm to 2.2 mm, 9 to 35 psi operating range, 12.2 CFM air consumption, 1.3 mm standard air cap set, 315 mm max fan width, and it's adaptable to all major disposable liner cup systems. For more information on the MP-V8 mid-pressure spray gun from FUJISPRAY, visit FUJISPRAYAuto.com or find them on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.